Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Firstbase.io. Firstbase.io, an honest, in-depth review. Watch this before you take the plunge. Firstbase.io is a platform specifically designed to simplify the process of starting and managing a US-based business, regardless of your location. It's a game-changer for non-US founders looking to incorporate in the United States, tap into the lucrative US market, and leverage its robust legal and financial infrastructure. From registering your business and obtaining an EIN to setting up a US bank account and providing a US business address, Firstbase.io handles the entire incorporation process, streamlining everything from start to finish. One of the platform's key strengths is its ability to handle all the complicated paperwork and legal procedures, freeing you to concentrate on the core aspects of building your business. Firstbase.io offers three-tiered pricing plans: Basic, Pro, and Premium, providing flexibility to suit different budgets and requirements. The basic plan covers the fundamental necessities like incorporation, EIN, and a US address. The Pro and Premium plans offer additional benefits, including legal document templates, bookkeeping software integration, and even access to valuable venture capital resources. Beyond incorporation, Firstbase.io shines with its ongoing support features. These include crucial compliance reminders and assistance with setting up a US business bank account, a significant advantage for international founders navigating the often complex US legal landscape. The platform boasts a clean and user-friendly interface with clear, step-by-step guidance throughout the entire incorporation process. It also offers a range of partner offers for services such as legal advice, cloud storage solutions, and marketing tools, adding significant value for startup founders keen to optimize their operations. Customer support is generally responsive, although it's worth noting that more intricate inquiries might require a bit more patience, particularly on the basic plan. Overall, Firstbase.io is a robust and reliable option for anyone outside the US looking to establish a business in America. The platform is particularly well-suited for tech startups, e-commerce businesses, and ventures seeking venture capital or conducting business primarily within the US. If your business needs are more complex or require extensive customization, exploring higher-end legal services might be a better approach. However, for most founders seeking a quick, straightforward, and dependable way to incorporate in the US, Firstbase.io delivers.